How does it feel to have to come here? Does it help?
I think I felt better when I was locked up in the hospital.
And have you thought more about why you were locked up?
I just don't want to feel so bad anymore. Happy. I haven't been happy 1 minute of my entire fucking life. Is it just me? Or is it getting crazier out there?
I just hope my death makes more sense than my life.
You see all this, the lights, the show, the audience, all that stuff. I'd give it all up in a heartbeat to have a kid like you.
So, buddy, tell us what's so fucking funny.
He's always been such a happy little boy.
I said, for my whole life, I didn't know if I even really existed. But I do. People are starting to notice. I don't know why everyone is so rude. I don't know why you are. I don't want anything from you. Maybe a little bit of warmth, maybe a hug, Dad. How about just a little bit of fucking decency? What is it with you people? Who is this?
Oh, hi, this is Shirley Woods. I'm the show booker from Live with Murray Franklin. Is this Arthur?
Yes?
Hi, Arthur. Well, as I was saying, we've gotten a lot of calls about your clip. Amazing responses. And Murray asked if I would reach out to you to see if you would come on as his guest.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Can we set up a date right now? Are you available next Thursday?
Knock, knock. I used to think that my life was a tragedy. But now I realize it's a fucking comedy. Murray, one small thing.
Yeah.
When you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker? It's been a rough few weeks, Murray. Ever since I killed those 3 Wall Street guys. Have you seen what it's like out there, Murray? Everybody just yells and screams at each other. Nobody's civil anymore. You think men like Thomas Wayne ever think what it's like to be someone like me? To be somebody but themselves? They don't. They think that we'll just sit there and take it like good little boys, that we won't werewolf and go wild.
You finished?
How about another joke, Murray?
No, I think we've had enough of your jokes.
What do you get?
I don't think so.
When you cross
I think
a
we're
mentally
done
ill
with your
loner
jokes.
with a
That's it.
society that abandons him and treats him like trash.
Call the police,
I'll
Gene.
tell you what you get.
Call the police.
Get what you fucking deserve.
Yeah, the whole fucking city's on fire because of what you did.
I know. Isn't it beautiful?